Look who's getting all ready for the beach. First beach trip coming. Are you excited? Maybe. Hello everybody.
I'm Emily.
I'm Jerry.
And this is Evelyn.
And we are going on our first real trip. And it's slash beach trip as a family. You're going on that first trip with your newborn. It can be stressful.
It can be overwhelming, trying to figure out what to pack and what not to pack.
And so in this video, we're going to go over all of it, how the trip here went. Is normally a 4.5 hour trip.
Yes.
All the stuff we brought with us.
What we actually ended up needing and didn't need.
All those things. So stay tuned and yeah, let's get to this. Okay, so let's see what we're packing on this first beach trip, first trip at all.
With our new baby.
All right, so let's see what we got.
All right, so in this little bag, you've got a thing of Desitin. You've got some...
Our Golden's helping out.
She is. Little travel thing of baby soap, some hand and face wipes, and some baby lotion.
All right, what do we got there?
This is a foldable travel tub. So you don't have to take like your big tub or figure out how to wash your newborn in a sink without something to like hold you. This is fantastic. This is a travel kit. You have a bottle brush, and then you put these in here, and you can drain and clean your bottles just like you do at home.
That is...
It's really cool. And we'll make sure all this is linked. So if you have a baby and you're looking for easy travel, you have all these great things.
Sweet. What do you think, Evelyn?
She said, yeah, let's do it. So we have the fan here ready for the beach to help keep Miss Evelyn cool. And then we have all of these cute little bathing suit choices. Why are baby bathing suits so adorable? Daddy settled on Little Mermaid for outfit number 1 for our beach day.
I don't think she's a fan of this bathing suit. Poor thing.
There we go.
So it is about 7 o'clock in the morning on the day of our first day of our trip to the beach. First trip with our baby ever. And so one thing to kind of keep in mind is you are definitely on your baby's schedule. And right now she just got fed. She is taking her little nap right now. We'll try getting packed up while she is sleeping. So yeah, one of the first big changes when you're traveling with a kid is you're definitely on your baby's schedule. The back of the van is a lot more filled up now. We got the stroller, pack and plays packed, diapers, got all our beach chairs, umbrella. We even have a little special thing to put Evelyn in out on the beach as well. And we've got the most important thing packaged up. Yeah. All right, so we are finally loaded into the van. We are going to...
the most stuff we've ever packed.
Yes. We are going to Topsail Beach in North Carolina. It's about a 4.5 hour drive for us normally. We'll see how long it takes now that we have...
Little Miss
a little
Evelyn
extra cargo.
with us.
All right, let's see how this trip goes. Well, we are about an hour and a half into our trip, and
Baby girl is still sleeping soundly.
we are at McDonald's.
We need that fuel.
Let's take a look at our Airbnb here at North Topsail Beach. So here is our place for the next few. Oh, look at the view out there. So this is interesting. Look at the sandbags. Might be like that house that got taken into the ocean here a few weeks ago. We are literally in the ocean.
I feel like we're like in Bora Bora, like one of those water places.
This is crazy. All right, so after kind of freaking out about the monster sandbags out, here's the rest of the place. Nice.
Oh yeah, it's super nice.
Yeah, I got a small little kitchen. Perfect though for our beach trip. living room's good size. Let's go check out the bedroom there. And we have a real cozy but nice looking master bedroom here. So this place will be really nice for us. Space to all the baby things take up. This is a pretty decent or average size condo we have here. And so we have a little what do you call that thing?
Dock-a-tot.
A dock-a-tot.
That was an off-brand, but that's what it's called.
An off-brand dock-a-tot. We have the diaper bag over there, diapers. The pack and play takes up a huge amount of space. That's what she's sleeping in during the night. And then we have the car seat over there, some more baby things. So yeah, so this condo is plenty big for us three, but if we had anyone else with us, you know, it would start getting kind of tight real quick. So it isn't as bad when the tide isn't all the way in here. So look at all the shells. You're bound to find some shark's teeth there. So we do have a little bit of a beach, but those are still some monster sandbags. This is what I've found in the past 10 minutes, literally right outside our condo here. Two of the best shark's teeth I have ever found in my life. North Topsail is loaded with shark's teeth, loaded. Across the street from our condo, there's a tiki bar, which is nice. And then we have a little mart here to get some waters and drinks and food and stuff like that. So nice little setup. Something else we brought with us was the old baby born carrier.
This is Evelyn's first time in it.
First, all right. So about 2 miles down from where we're staying here at North Topsail Island Beach, there's public parking, public access, plenty of place to walk around, enjoy the beach. It is beautiful here, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
It's a beautiful beach.
So we had a lot of worries going into this trip, or maybe concerns, how Evelyn would do, you know, driving 4.5 hours.
And then just being on the beach.
Being
in a new environment.
And, you know, sleeping in the pack and play instead of her crib.
She's been a rock star.
Yeah.
Absolute rock star.
So a lot of the worries and concerns you have, especially when you have a newborn, they're justified, but
it really will be all okay. She had a great night's sleep in her pack and play. She's having a great little nap on the beach right now. It's been awesome.
It'll be okay.
This
our first trip has been great. If you have any questions about anything, any stuff we've used or whatever, just general, yeah, just let us know in the comments below.
Bye.
I think Miss Evelyn approves of her first beach trip. What do you think? This is one we will always remember. Looks like our kitty cat is wanting to go on our beach trip too. I don't blame him.